And then we can go ahead and I think we can just go ahead and do the buckles. And then we'll do all the facial features all at one time on all of them. You know, it might look a little weird until then, but it's just easier to do it that way. Okay, then we use our square cutters, and we have a couple different sizes. So this is what we have to do. Use this one, and then cut this out. Okay, and this will go on his front. A little water. Okay, the hat one needs to be smaller. So what we'll do is we'll cut, this will be the center out, and then just take the pizza cutter and cut around it. Okay, so him, we can go ahead and pick him up, pop him where we want him, so he'll go way over here. And then we can put his tail on. Okay, so a little bit of gray. Put your finger over half of it. Okay, let me do it again. I did it kind of fast. Gray, put your finger over half and start to roll it out and just elongate it, keeping this part thicker, this part thinner. Voila. Okay, stick this back here and then just kind of curl it a little bit. Okay, and that's him except for the facial features, so we'll move on to the next one.